Every successful partnership starts with a closer look. As our Danish guests arrive at HAPLAST, they begin by examining Seafold trash bags in detail before moving into discussions and continuing the visit through our production facility. Walking through the production area, they observe the manufacturing environment while taking a closer look at different packaging products, including pet waste bags, Star Seal trash bags, and blue trash bags, with product features explained along the way. The visit continues with a closer inspection of Seafold trash bags before moving into the quality control laboratory, where testing equipment and film strength evaluation are introduced to demonstrate how product performance is verified throughout the production process. With a monthly capacity of 5,000 tons, HAPLAST supports large-scale production while maintaining strict quality standards. International certifications and long-term cooperation with global partners further reflect our commitment to consistency and reliability. If you're looking for a reliable packaging partner, HAPLAST is ready to support your business with tailored solutions.